In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly to your WordPress website in just 5 minutes. We'll start by logging into Calendly and then move on to embedding your event scheduling directly into your WordPress site. This easy integration will make scheduling meetings more seamless for you and your clients. So let's dive in. First, head over to calendly.com. Once you're there, you'll want to log in, which you can do by clicking on the Login button in the top right corner. After clicking, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Go ahead and type it in, then click Continue to proceed to the next step. After this, you'll enter your password and click Continue again to access your Calendly account. Now you'll find yourself on the Calendly homepage. Here you'll see a list of your event types. Choose the event you want to integrate into your website. Once selected, click on the Share button. This will open different options for sharing your event, and you'll want to click on Add to Website. It's time to decide how to embed the event, and for this tutorial we'll go with the inline embed option. Once selected, simply click Continue. Next, you'll see a code provided by Calendly. Click on Copy Code to get this snippet ready for the next part. This is the piece you'll be using to integrate Calendly with your WordPress site. Now let's switch over to your WordPress website. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Once there, find your way to Pages and click on it. If you don't have an existing page where you want the Calendly widget to appear, just click on Add Page to create a new one. Give your new page a suitable name that tells visitors what the page is about. Now that you've got your page ready, it's time to add the embedded Calendly code. Look for the plus icon on your screen and give it a click. A menu should appear offering several options. Click on Browse All. In the list of available blocks, find and select Custom HTML. This is where you'll paste the Calendly code you copied earlier. Once you've pasted the code, it allows your website to display the Calendly scheduling tool correctly. Before making things official, you'll want to make sure everything looks right. Click on Preview to see a live version of the page with the Calendly embed. If it appears as expected and functions properly, you're ready for the final step. Go ahead and click on Publish to make your new page live for everyone to access. You've just successfully added Calendly to your WordPress website. This setup makes scheduling seamless and enhances the visitor experience on your site. Thanks for following along and happy scheduling.